Hello and welcome again to the new episode. Today it's a very sober day for the Luo community and the TikTokers. The body of the late Lorina Chieng, alias JABER will leave Chiromo mortuary to home in Awendo. They will conduct a requiem mass in Nairobi before the body is transferred to the rural home. Tears and cries have been reported as friends and family and distant family are sending their condolences to the family of AUNGO Awendo, a renowned Vumilia Susumila Ohangla musician. We join the family in sending our condolences and in conjunction with attending the burial and organizing for burial to happen successfully. Many Luo musicians, including top Ohangla musicians Print Inda, Emma Jalamo, Odongo Swag, Freddy Jakabondo, Steve Janam will embrace the nights from today, Saturday 10th, Sunday 11th, to Tuesday where she will be buried at Awendo, following all community protocol that have been followed by AUNGO Awendo. We urge everybody, to our loyal fans, to support. The pay bill is on TikTok. When you visit the page Evans Kenya, you will get a number so that you can send through the pay bill. As Kenyanian family, we send our condolences to the family and friend of the late JABER Nyaronagi. May your soul rest in eternal peace, and may the light of God shine upon everybody, and may you take heart.